Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Canadian apple mule. Super easy cocktail to make, all we need is 3 ingredients to make it. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need ground apple, ginger beer, and fresh lime juice. We're going to separate it nice in the mixing glass. Three-quarters of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 ounces of ground apple, and I'm just gonna top it out with ginger beer. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, time for a taste test. Oh, this is really good. I get some lime notes. I can definitely taste the apple, and it goes really well with the ginger beer. It's fresh and refreshing. I really like this one. I'll give it 10 out of 10. And that's how you make the Canadian apple mule. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!